In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download Stripe Fees Invoice. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices section, where you can review the list of available invoice records in your account. On the Invoices page, take a moment to look through the list. If you need to find a specific Stripe Fees invoice, use the filters available on the page to narrow down the results. This is helpful when there are many invoices in the account and you want to locate the correct one more quickly. You can apply filters such as date range, status, or customer, depending on what you need. Select the options that match the invoice you are looking for. After applying the filters, review the updated results and confirm that the invoice data shown on the page matches the period or category you want to download. Once you have the correct invoice list displayed, move to the upper right corner of the page and click the Export button. This will open the export settings, where you can choose exactly what information you want to include in the downloaded file. In the export window, select the date range that you want for the invoice history. If there are any additional export options available, choose the ones that fit your needs. Stripe may also ask you to choose a file format. If that happens, select CSV as the export format. This format is useful because it allows you to open and review the invoice data easily in spreadsheet software. Before finishing, review the export settings carefully. Make sure the date range and any selected filters are correct. This helps ensure that the file includes the Stripe Fees invoice details you want and avoids the need to repeat the export process. When everything looks correct, click Export to generate the invoice history file. Stripe will then prepare the export for download. Once the file is ready, download it to your device and open it to review the invoice details. After downloading the file, you can check the invoice information to confirm that the Stripe Fees data is included and that the export contains the correct records for your needs. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.